of the smart waste bin. A waste bin is a container for trash, but it plays a very important role in keeping our environment clean. Imagine our school without waste bin. Paper will be littered on the floor. Importance of waste bin are: number one, it helps to maintain cleanliness and order. Number two, it teaches us discipline and responsibility. Number three, the waste bin prevents diseases from coming into our body when it is properly collected. Germs and bacteria have fewer places to grow and keep students and teachers healthy. Furthermore, the waste bin prevents diseases from coming into our body. The waste bin supports the environmental protection. It can be recycled or sorted into plastic and papers. And organic waste can be separated and reused. Let us use our smart waste bin wisely. Let us keep our environment clean to prevent disease. Let us build the culture of discipline and sustainability. Thanks.
In conclusion, this project has taught us teamwork, problem solving, and environmental responsibility. This is more than a school project. It is a step towards a more smarter and sustainable future. It was not an easy task, but with a lot of hope and determination, we were able to produce a lasting solution to environmental hazards and pollution. And this is what makes our students innovators and problem solvers, eager and determined to make the society around them smarter, better, and greener. And we know that our smart waste bin will be a part of a cleaner now and tomorrow. Thanks.
Now, this team was mentored by him. Just give you
a round of applause for the students, please. My name is Emeka Chibike Gospower. I'm a student of IMT. So I'm the project supervisor for the Smart Green School. So, as you can see, we have talent here in Smart Green School. And the example of what they presented here is one of them. So you can see, I believe with years to come, these students can be able to produce useful device for Enugu people. And I want to thank our governor, Governor Ndubisi Peter Mba, for giving these children this wonderful opportunity to unleash their talents. So I can believe now this device now can solve problems here in Enugu. Yeah. So as you can see, when they presented the device, it's a device that can actually help us to manage our waste bin. Yeah. Us to manage our waste bin. Yeah. So I want to thank the governor for giving them this wonderful opportunity. And I believe within the nearest future, we'll be able to build more devices. Thank you.
Thank you. Then the second set, also from Queen's College, developed a moving robot. They are going to talk about the robot briefly, because there's no time, and then test run the robot.
Good day, everyone, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, respected guests and fellow innovators. All protocols observed. Imagine a world where students turn waste into intelligent machines and use technology to make life easier. That is exactly what we have done at Enugu Smart Brain School, Queen's Campus. My name is Wachiku Sophia China Azamebere, and these are my fellow young innovators. By my left are
Wankwa Kensile.
Bright Chime. Namara Kwendale.
Where's the Chagoze?
Uka for some to Chukesta.
Fimanela Chimwaya.
and by my right are
Ezefevo Chimwaya. For Choma Anastasia. Ubunna Daniel.
These are students from Enugu Smart Green School, Queen's Campus. And I am here to present our project titled The Moving Robot, which we call our Tomorrow is Here Smart Green Spotter. It is made from recycled materials. A robot is a machine that performs tasks automatically or with a little human's control. And this is actually a robot with a little human's control. In today's world, robots help to reduce stress for humans. Robots work in homes, hospitals, industries, and farms. They carry heavy loads, perform dangerous tasks, and makes work easier. Instead of human doing everything manually, robots makes work easier and faster. Robots has contributed significantly to the world by increasing industrial efficiency, enhancing safety in dangerous environments, improving precision in healthcare, and advancing in scientific exploration. And this can be best explained with what happened in the year 2020, when the coronavirus invaded into the world, thereby causing maximum of quarantined patients. Then the innovators emerged and invented a robot which served as a mediator between the doctors and the patient. But we have an important question to ask ourselves. Can students really build robots using materials around them? The answer is yes. Our team has designed and built a moving robot using recycled materials like plastic bottles, carton boxes, bottle covers, old wires, small motor panels, and batteries. Instead of throwing waste away, we transformed it into technological invention. This tells us that innovation does not depend on expensive materials, but it depends on ideas and creativity. This project has taught us, the students of Enugu Smart Green School, problem solving, creativity, and teamwork. So with this little speech, I would like my colleague to take you more on this informational enlightenment. Thank you. Still remains Swatiku Sophia.
Thank you. Let's summarize it now, please. Let's summarize.
I'd like to throw more light on what she said. Based on how we built our Tomorrow is Here Queen Smart Butter. Firstly, we started from our measurement, 26 by 20 cm. After that, you cut it out and use your spark glue and hold it. Then you measure out the hand, 4.6 cm. The shoulder length of the hand, 5.8 cm. The long length of the hand, 15.5 cm by 13.5 cm. After that, you solder the GC panel inside the BC motor. Then channel all the wires inside the BC motor. Red and white is for positive, while black and green is for negative. After that, you now measure out the tray in a rectangular form from the carpet tiles. Then you now use some recycled material like 2 nails for the antennas, bulb for the neck and the eye. Thank you.
Thank you very much, student from Queen's College. Permit me also to call on students from Owo. Okay.
Sorry. Can we
come up and demonstrate the moving robot? This robot can carry books from one class to the other. Can carry everything. Anything you can think of. Can carry bottle. You can turn it around. Turn it around. Turn the robot. Okay. In school, our Smart Green School started with additive manufacturing tool, 3D printer. And most of their projects start with product design. So they will tell us what they have done. They designed robot, keep it here. They designed a copter, designed and printed in their lab.
Good day, distinguished judges, respected guests, and fellow innovators. My name is Obiora Joy, and today I stand before you not just as a student, but as part of a team of young problem solvers from Enugu State Smart Green School Owo Campus. We are here to introduce a problem. We are here to introduce a problem to the world that affects millions of homes across Nigeria, especially the rural communities, which that problem is darkness. In some rural communities, electricity is unstable. Electricity is unstable or completely unavailable. Students cannot read. Families rely on candle and kerosene lamp. Charging of phone becomes expensive and stressful. Darkness limits education, safety, communication, and opportunity. Instead of waiting for someone else to solve this problem, we decided to build a solution ourselves. We introduce to you the Green Light Power Bank, a portable and rechargeable power bank with a built-in LED system, designed, printed, and assembled right inside our innovation lab. Our journey started with an idea. We designed the casing with the digital and modeling software. Then we brought it to life with our school's 3D printer. Thank you.
In addition to what my colleague just said, layer by layer, the machine turned the design into a physical product. After the machine turned the design into a physical product. After printing the casting, we installed rechargeable battery cells, a USB device part that enables mobile devices, a high efficient light, and also a safe charging system. This result became a durable, affordable, and multifunctional device that can actually provide light and power when needed. What makes this Green Light Power Bank unprecedented is that, one, it was locally produced and designed by students. Second, it is cost-effective due to 3D printing and assembling. Third, it requires little electricity or small solar panels in order to get charged. This is not just a classroom project, but instead, it is actually a scalable solution. Imagine, children at the rural areas can now read at night. Individuals can now continue running their business after sunset, and families stay connected due to the fact that their phones are charged. This is the impact of Green Light Power Bank. Beyond solving light problems, this shows something bigger, that people can innovate. Schools can turn to innovation hubs, and technology like 3D printer can actually drive local innovation. Distinguished guests, Green Light Power Bank actually betokens empowerment, sustainability, and youth innovation. With the right support, this could lead to a mass production and also lighting of homes at the rural areas. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, let's put our hands together for the children from the Smart Green Schools for all the demonstrations. Please.
Come, let us power homes. Let us empower communities. Let us turn creativity into innovations into impact. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please, if your phone is down, you can come and charge it free of charge.
Thank you very much, the students of Enugu Smart Green School Owo Campus. Permit me to call on students of Enugu Smart Green School, GTC. GTC have also designed a moving CNG bus. And this bus will be going to Albany Road. So when you are going, to take you peacefully without any problem. Then the street light. Talk about the street light.
Good morning, well-respected guests and the people of Enugu. My name is Obiara Delight. I am coming from Enugu Smart Green School, GTC Campus 1. I am here to introduce to you our automatic solar street light. It is called automatic because it does not need a switch. It has a sensor inside that whenever there is a reflection of light on the panel, it will automatically trigger off. But when there is no reflection of sunlight on the panel, it will automatically trigger on. I am trying to tell you that we will charge it in the daytime, but when there is no light, like in the night, when there is no light or reflection, it will trigger on, giving light in our school compound and making everywhere bright. Thanks.
Thank you.
We use 5 voltage solar panel, 3.7 voltage lithium battery, and 3 watts LED to build this automatic solar panel, solar street light. Why? Because if you use a solar panel voltage lower than the voltage of the lithium battery, it will not charge. For instance, using 3 voltage of solar panel to charge 3.7 voltage of lithium battery is a no. So our 5 voltage solar panel can comfortably charge our 3.7 lithium battery and store energy for consumption at night. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Angela Maka Ona. I'm an engineer by profession. I'm one of the Enugu State Innovation Team Smart School. So I mentor them on the street light. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, at this junction, the GTC students are still going to talk about the CNG bus. Remember, I told those that are going to Abwani Road that you have a free ride today. So,
the EcoRide Smart Bus model by students of Enugu Smart Green School, GTC Campus 1. Good day, distinguished judges, respected guests, and my fellow innovators. My name is Eze Victor, and my colleagues are John Chemere. We are proudly representing the brilliant students of Enugu Smart Green School, GTC Campus 1. We are not just here to present a project, but we are here to present a vision, a clearer, affordable, and locally engineered transportation in Nigeria. Transportation is the backbone of any growing economy. Yet today, our public transport system faces serious challenges. 1, high cost of fuel. 2, environmental pollution from diesel and petrol buses. 3, overdependence on imported technology. 4, poor waste management contributing to environmental degradation. 5, every day we burn fuel that harm our air. 6, every day we import technology that we can learn to build ourselves. At this point, I'll hand over to my colleague to come and throw more light on the vision that we have.
I am here to throw more light on the steps in building the EcoRide Smart Bus model. We began by designing a bus prototype using engineering principles learned in our technical workshop. We built the body using recycled plastic and metal materials, installing a working electrical motor system, integrating a basic control and power system. But we didn't stop there. Our long-term vision is to convert this model into compressed natural gas CNG power system, thereby combining electrical efficiency with cleaner fuel alternative. Why CNG? Because CNG burns cleaner than petrol and diesel. 2, reduces carbon emission. 3, costs less over time. 4, extends engine lifespan. 5, supports environmental sustainability. By planning this conversation, we are thinking beyond today. We are thinking about the future of transportation in Nigeria. Thank you.
I'm here to throw some light on what she has said. What makes this project special is not just the technology, but the mindset. We use recycled material for both the internal and the external part of the CNG bus. We use the important material we use in the CNG bus are motor fan, batteries, wires, which is negative and positive. We use remote control to control it, and the remote control have antenna that enables it to connect with the bus. And as a result, it can control the bus to go front, back, left, and right. The antenna is so strong that it can go as far as 20 feet without disconnection. Thanks.
In conclusion, this project demonstrates that young one can design, build, innovate, and contribute meaningfully to national development. Distinguished judges, the Eco-Right Smart Bus model is more than a prototype. It is proof that sustainable transport can be carried out in school or shop. It is proof that the recycled materials can become powerful machines. It is proof that the students of Enugu Smart Green School GTC Campus 1 are ready to drive Nigeria into a cleaner, smarter future. With your support, this idea can grow from a model to a pilot project to a locally transport solution. We are not just building buses, we are building possibilities. Let us move Nigeria forward sustainably. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You agree with me that I told you we are presenting innovators and inventors. And I want you to know that the students, because they are young, they are highly innovative.